Hey guys, in this video I'm going to test the fingerprint scanner without the film or tempered glass protector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So the purpose of this video is to show you how sensitive it is, so that if you have a film protector or a tempered glass, you can compare it against this video demo, and you can see how well it works with your tempered glass or a film protector. So first I'm going to tap on the home button to go back to my home screen, and I'm going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security, then tap on fingerprints. In here, you can put in your screen pin or passcode, and I'm going to begin to scan my fingerprint. So I'm going to tap on the continue button, and here it will show the fingerprint scanner, and now you will be able to see how accurate it will read my finger or my thumb. So here you can see if I scan it, it reads almost 100% of the time. So I do need to move my thumb around in a different position so that it can scan for my fingerprints. And that's it. So it's done. Now I can add in on my left hand side. So here I'm going to scan it on my left hand side. So you can see the scanner works really well. It doesn't really miss my scan. It does, from time to time, it does ask me to move my thumbs around the screen, but without a tempered glass or without a film protector, this scanner works very accurately. So now you can see here, I can just touch on it and it will read my thumb straight away. So you can see I just need to tap quickly and it reads my fingerprints straight away. I can hold onto it for a little bit longer, or I can tap on it quickly and let go, and it reads very accurately. If your film protector or your screen tempered glass protector does not work very well or not like this, then maybe you need to get a better, higher quality screen protector. So you can see here, this works very well without a screen protector or a film protector. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.